Would you just look at it? Just look at it. All right. Well, happy camper. About damn time they started flashing. Damn. Ugh. Finally got the tail lights figured out. Before the brake lights were just blasting. Now it's the tail lights, so I got that figured out. Also, I got the halos figured out in the front. So, halos figured out in the front. Let's see. But it's still not flashing, y'all. But I got some flashes to the house. So, still solid light on the dash. Still solid light on the dash. So let's see what we got back here. Yep, we got one bright back there. Yep, one bright over here. Well, I tell you what, I can't win for losing. Hopefully some flashes. Yeah, we got the amber for that turn signal there. Amber for that turn signal there. Ah, man, I'll tell you what. I changed the flashers. I don't change everything, y'all. I don't know what to do. This joker. I don't know if this will. See how I'm barely getting any flashing wheat here? Somebody says it's the damn flasher not putting enough load, but the back is like bright. Oh boy. Everything's super grounded. I don't fucking know. I know I'm about to go berserk. But it tells what it tells. They flashing, baby. They flashing, doo-doo, they flashing. Brake lights working. Oh man, super happy about that. Only took me 5 days, 17 different relays, and 35 different trips to Deep Homo. Advanced Auto Parts. Okay. Got the halos working today. Got the power steering leak fixed. Got the bottom radiator hose tied in. Got the water pump hooked up. Oh shit now. Got the upper radiator hose tied in. Everything's super tight here. Now I don't got that stupid rag up there no more. That's taken care of. Let's go inside. Let's see. Start on the dash console. Also, we got the back bezel piece put in the back. It was hard to see, but it's in there. Line it up easy to the door edge. Put rubbers. Shoot, man, we got some production on Ruckus today, y'all. Got tail lights. Ruck looking nasty now with the tail lights. What? So yeah, we rolling, man. Oh yeah, forgot. Got a dome light too now. Got the dash pad in. Looking beautiful. Back piece done. When the seats get done, the door panels, everything. Of course, upper console. So, yeah. Truck is coming. He's saying gangster, gangster, gangster. Just look at it. Just look at it. From my eyesight point of view. Whew, boy. Whew. You're gonna be a nasty bitch. All right, we out for the day. Time to go home.